Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Fluent Avenue X. Today, we are going to learn English through a fun story about ordering food at a restaurant. Have you ever wanted to order food in English but didn't know what to say? Listen carefully because the answer is hidden inside today's story. Stay with us until the end, and you will learn many useful English phrases that you can use in real life. Let's begin!
Hi, Anam.
Hi, Omer. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. I'm very hungry today.
Me too. There is a nice restaurant across the street.
That sounds good. Let's go.
Sure.
I hope the food is delicious.
Me too. I want a big meal today.
You always want a big meal.
That's true.
Let's see the menu when we get there.
Good idea. Wow, this restaurant looks nice.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Table for one?
Oh, no, table for two, please.
Of course. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
This is perfect.
Here are your menus.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll come back in a few minutes.
Anam, look at this menu.
It has many choices.
I can't decide.
Me neither.
What do you like?
I like chicken.
The grilled chicken looks good.
Yes, and it comes with rice.
Nice.
What about you?
I want a cheeseburger.
Again?
Yes, I love cheeseburgers.
One day you will become a cheeseburger.
Then I will come with French fries.
That's funny. Excuse me.
Yes. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
A glass of orange juice, please.
Certainly.
Thank you.
The chicken sounds really good.
You can still change your order.
No, I love burgers too much.
I knew you would say that.
Maybe next time.
We'll see.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Would you like fries with it?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink?
A large lemonade, please.
Sure.
Oh, one more thing.
Yes?
No onions, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think we ordered everything.
Yes.
Now we wait.
Waiting is the hardest part.
Especially when you're hungry.
Very true.
I smell fresh bread.
Me too.
Now I'm even more hungry.
Please don't eat the menu.
I was thinking about it.
The menu doesn't taste good.
Good advice.
Here is your grilled chicken.
Thank you.
And here is your cheeseburger and fries.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Wow, this burger looks amazing.
My chicken smells wonderful.
Let's eat.
Yes.
This is delicious.
Mine is very good too.
Would you like one fry?
Sure, thank you.
Here you go.
Here, try a little chicken.
Thank you.
What do you think?
It's really tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
I'm almost finished.
Me too.
I'm full now.
Me too, but I still have room for dessert.
Really?
Just kidding.
You surprised me.
Your face was so funny.
You almost made me order cake.
Maybe next time.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Could we have the check, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Everything was excellent.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That was a great meal.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
I learned some useful English today.
Me too.
Next time, let's try another restaurant.
Great idea.
See you next day.
See you.
Great job listening! Now here's the answer to today's question. If you want to order food in English, You can say polite phrases like, I'd like, can I have, could we have the check please? Today, you learned useful restaurant English, including greetings, ordering food and drinks, asking for changes, saying thank you, and paying the bill. Thank you so much for watching Fluent Avenue X. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Here's today's fun question. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next English lesson.